everyone. Welcome to Virtual Kids in the Kitchen. I'm Miss Jenny, a children's librarian with the Elyria Public Library System, and today we're going to be making mini fruit pizzas. So for this snack, you're going to need some sugar cookies. I used a slice and bake package like this that I bought at the grocery store, but if you happen to have a recipe at home for homemade sugar cookies that you like to make, go ahead and do that. Use your favorite kind of sugar cookie. You'll need some softened cream cheese, some powdered sugar, and some vanilla extract to make your pizza sauce, and then some fresh fruit for your pizza topping. So I have strawberries and blueberries with me today for a very festive and colorful dessert, but you can use whatever kind of fruit you would like. Maybe experiment with some different things and see how it tastes, okay? So the first thing that you need to do is bake your cookies. So I followed the instructions on the back of my package. Follow the instructions on your recipe if you're making homemade sugar cookies, but remember to get a grown-up's help using the oven, okay? So that's your first step. And then I'm going to slice up my strawberries because they're a little bit too big to put on top of my cookies. So I'm gonna just open my strawberry package and get my little knife, and we'll just slice a couple up into some smaller pieces here, just like this. And again, if you're using kind of a sharper knife, maybe get a grown-up's help with that too. Okay, just like this. So we'll have some nice smaller pieces. Depending on what kind of fruit you use, you might not have to do any slicing. My blueberries are pretty good the way they are, so I don't need to do anything with them. I'm gonna cut one more just so we have enough, just like this. There. So we've got our strawberries ready to go. So that will be part of our pizza topping here in a few minutes. And we have our blueberries. And then the final thing that we need to do is mix our cream cheese, our powdered sugar, and our vanilla in a small mixing bowl, just like this. Okay, so I've got my cream cheese. It's been sitting out a little bit, so it's nice and soft, and it'll be easy to mix with the mixer, okay? So you kind of want to do that. You're just going to empty your 8-ounce block of cream cheese right into your mixing bowl, just like that. And then I have my 2/3 cup measuring cup here, and I'm going to get my powdered sugar. Open my container. Just scoop that right out like that. And put that right in there, just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to get my vanilla extract, and I've got my measuring spoons, and so I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, okay? Just like that. And that's all you need for that. Now I've got my electric mixer that I'm going to use for this. So again, you might need a grown-up's help with this. Okay, so this is my electric mixer. We're just going to mix it up right like this in our mixing bowl, making a big mess while we're at it. It's kind of the fun of cooking and baking, though. Sometimes it's a little bit crazy. But this will be our pizza sauce that we'll spread on top of our cookies here when we're done. So you can see it's just all kind of mixing together like that. And it looks nice and smooth and ready to spread. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, so now we are ready to assemble our fruit pizzas. So we're gonna grab our cookies. This is our pizza dough, our pizza crust, if you will. And I have myself a knife just like this. So I'm gonna spread some pizza sauce right on top here, just like this. Okay, you can spread on as much or as little as you would like. Just like that. And then we will add our toppings, so our strawberries and blueberries. So maybe we'll just kind of arrange them a little bit like this, depending on what you like. Get our blueberries, add some more color to these. Put a few right like that, and they kind of stick right into your cream cheese mixture. Another strawberry over here. And maybe one more. And there you go. You can assemble yours however you like, whatever kind of fruit you have. But now we have a delicious fruity dessert all set to go. Thanks for joining me for Virtual Kids in the Kitchen. See you next time. Thanks.